Yes. Today's our discussion is multiplication by 5, 25, 50, 125, 250 and 500. Compulsory we need to complete this by today only. Okay. First, one second. What is your batch? A, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. What is that, sir? I don't know.
We are batch A.
Okay. Okay. So today we'll see multiplication by 5, then 25, then 125, then 50, then 250, 500, all these things. So we'll start with the multiplication by 5. See, any number is given, any number into 5 is given. So instead of multiplying by 5, we can do what we can do is suppose if I do into 2 by 2 for this question, is there any change in the problem? Is there any disturbance in the question?
No, sir. Because
there is
2
no
into
disturbance.
2 is 1 and 5 into 1 is 5.
Yes, so there is no change in the
So 1 second,
Suppose-
sir, I just have a doubt. So you can
Yeah,
also write it like 5 by 5 also, right?
what 5?
5 into 5 by 5.
Wait, remaining persons, wait. Toshnika, tell me.
So I'm asking if you can write it like 5 into 5 by 5 because even 5 by 5 gives us a result is 1.
5 into 5, 5,
5 by
5.
5.
What is this 5?
5 by 5. So I'm saying 5 by 5. Like
Okay,
2 by
5
2.
divided by 5. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
exactly.
Sir, like you read 2 by 2, sir, like that.
Okay,
5 by 5.
I got it. 5 into 5 by 5.
2 by 2, 5 by 5.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
any number we may write here 5 by 5 or 7 by 7 or 2 by 2 or 3 by 3, any number, it will not change the question. But see, why we are taking only 2 is we are converting this 5 into our base number. What are our base numbers? 10, 100,
10,
1000,
100,000,
10,000.
10,000,
So
1
we are
lakh.
converting this 5 into above base number. What is its above base number?
Sir, 6.
No. 5 above base number.
Sir, 10, sir. Sir, 10.
10. So we are making it 10, right? Toshnika, got it?
Yes, sir, I got it.
Okay. See, I'm changing this question like any number divided by 2 into 10. Is it same as above?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, any number divided by 2 into 5 to z 10. Means any number instead of multiplying by 5, we can just divide by 2, right? And divide it by 2, and based on the remainder, put the last digit. Based on the remainder, put the last digit. Means, see, I'm taking any question.
Sorry, sir.
Yes, Ashwin.
Sir, what if it is odd number, sir? We can't divide it by 2, right?
Any number it can be. It can be an even number or it can be an odd number. I'll explain both. See, I'll explain both even and odd numbers. First, I'm taking some 24 into 5. Okay. So what we have mentioned here, any number instead of multiplying by 5, we can divide by 2. Divided by 2, right? What is the result of this?
Yes. So 12. So 12.
Yes, 12. After 12, we need to reserve one position because we have converted 5 into 10, right? 10 consists of only one digit. After 12, we have to reserve one digit. And that one digit should be filled by, after dividing 24 by 2, what is your remainder?
Sir, 12.
No. Remainder.
0.
Sir, 0.
0 is the remainder. If 0 is the remainder, simply put the last digit as 0.
Sir, I didn't understood.
Sir, even I.
Nothing.
Sir, I understand.
Even I. Sir.
Wait. Let me explain clearly. Later you can understand. Let me explain first. One more question I'm taking, like 53 into 5. Tell me, any number instead of multiplying by 5, what we can do?
Sir, divided by 2.
Divided by 2.
So
What is the
it
result
will
of this? 2 2s are 4 and then 13.
Sir,
In 13 how many times?
25.5.
6.
Sir, 25.5. Sir, 26.
Sir,
26,
25.5.
After 26, what is the remainder?
Sir, one doubt, sir. Have you calculated 0?
Let me finish it first. Let me finish it. Later we'll see all the doubts. Okay, let me explain all the things, sir, and later you can ask your doubts. Just wait. 53 when divided by 2, 26 is the quotient, right?
Yes, sir.
What is the remainder?
Sir,
0.
1.
If
1.
1 is the remainder, simply write the last digit as 5. That's all. That's the answer.
Sir, why we have to take only 2, sir?
Sir, 0 is the remainder.
You can take 3, you can take
Yeah,
4.
why
you
we
can
are
take
taking
5.
2, that is already explained here. See this one. We are converting this 5 as it's above base number. Above base number is 10. So to make this number 10, we are multiplying by 2.
Sir, why remainder is 1, no, sir. Why we are giving 5?
Based on the remainder, we have to keep the last digit. So just tell me, any number when divided by 2, what are the remainder possibilities?
Sir, 0.
0.
0 or
Or
1 or
1 and
1
0.
or 0, 0 or 1. So only these are the two possible answers. Sorry, two possible remainders. It can never be 3, right? It can never be more than 2 or more than or equal to 2. Remainder.
Sir, can you explain it again, sir?
Sir, and 26 means we should not change into points like 25.5.
Ask one by one. Revant, just ask again. Revant.
Sir, who is Raven?
Ritvik. Sorry,
It
Revant.
was Ritvik.
Ritvik.
53 by 2, yeah, right, sir.
Yeah, 53 by 2 exactly divisible by 26, right? Now 2 is the 1 is the remainder. See, nothing
Yes, sir.
here. Let me explain in another way. 24 into 5, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? If I
Yes,
do
sir.
into 2 by 2, it will be 10, right?
Yes, sir.
So then the question will be 240 by 10. Sorry, 240 by 2. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
240 by 2 result.
Sir,
will
so we
be
should divide then. Okay,
That's all.
sir.
That's the answer. So I'm explaining
Sir,
another
one
question.
more. Sir, one more. Can you explain one more question?
Sir, no matter first how we divide or multiply, right, sir?
Sir.
Yes.
Sir,
Yes.
so again we should do with 2 by 2, sir. Multiply with 5, 2 by 2.
So see, I'm making this question. Yes, multiply by 2 and divide it by 2. So then it will be 10.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
53
sir.
10s
5 to
are
the 10.
530.
Sir, and 53 into 2
Divided
is
by
530.
2,
532 means,
2 2s are
Sir,
4
can I
and
ask a doubt?
30.
sir, it's
30.
260.
275. Sir,
12, 1 remainder 10. 5 10s, 265.
260.
Shukra now, got it?
No, sir, I didn't understood.
What did
So
you
instead of that, we can just
Explain him.
let all the people understood first. Tushnika,
Sir,
tell
can
me.
I explain him?
so instead of doing all this process, so now we know what we want to do. So instead of that, we can just add a 0 and then by 2 we can write no, sir.
Yes, that is what we are doing. This is for understanding only. Later we'll do that thing only. Okay, all these
Okay, sir.
boxes
Sir,
just for
suppose
understanding.
we get, sir, suppose we get directly 530 multiplied by 5 means what should we do?
Then
Okay, so
add one more 0. 530 multiplied by 5. Add one more 0 for this number 5300. Then
Okay,
divided by
sir.
2.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Any number is given. Suppose 243 is given into 5. Then we have to do 2430 by 2.
For every thing we can do it.
For every multiplication by 5. Any number multiplied by 5, we can do this.
Sir, can I ask a doubt?
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, can we use like points, sir?
Why to use points?
Sir, then it will be
Mistake.
even if you're doing an odd number, sir.
So we'll get 0 as reminder.
See,
if we do.
you take any number, last digit will be 0. Then how can you get points again when you divide by 2?
No, sir, if you do like, if you get an odd number, it will give 1 as a reminder. If you just
See,
do it in
53.
point, we'll get
53 is an even number or odd number?
odd, sir.
Odd number. When we are multiplying by 5, we are making it 530 by 2. Then we'll get.
Yes, sir, we'll get even, right? It will all
Sir,
obviously
example,
be
it
even.
will be 14 into 5.
Sorry.
It will be 14 into 5. What we should do, sir?
14 into
Same
5.
process. Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
see, I'm telling the answer immediately. Just see. 14 into 5. That is your question. So I'm making it 140 by 2. So 145 by 2 will be 70. That's all.
70. Okay, sir. Now I understand.
Sir, why are you taking 147?
So why I am taking 140 is I am multiplying and dividing by 2. So to make this number 10, so that it will be 14 tens are 140 by 2. Okay. Instead of multiplying by 5, we can just divide it by 2.
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Yes. All of you understood?
Yes, sir. Sir, understood, sir.
Yeah. Anyone having doubt, it can ask.
Sir, I'm
No, sir.
Sir,
Yeah. Tell me.
sir, I'm having a doubt.
Tell.
Sir, is it necessary to add a 0? Means can we do it normally instead of
Yeah.
adding 0?
It is not mandatory. It is not necessary to add 0. But let all the people understood first. Later, I'll remove that part also. Okay. Without adding this 0 also, we can do that.
Sir,
Yeah. Tell me.
sir, if it's 59 into 5, then we have to write as 53 into 5 into 2 divided by 2.
Sorry. If it is
If it is 53 into 9,
53 into 9, here we are not discussing about a 9 multiplication by 9. Here we're discussing about multiplication by 5. So later we'll see this type also.
okay, sir.
As we are discussing special multiplications. In that special multiplications, all these are special things like multiplication by 5, 25, 125, 50. Don't write anything in the chart.
Sir, Ritvik Nimala has messaged
N Ritvik, sir.
Okay,
By
right.
mistake, sir, I accidentally pressed enter, sir.
Okay. All of you are clear with this? Multiplication by
Yes,
5 is clear.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
So if you are
Should we give the
clear,
names
so
now?
go to the exercise. Now you can give your names. There are 8 questions. There are 8 questions.
Sir, we need to do it from the.
Mahavir A.
Yes, sir, from Mahavir A, sir, because before, like, they give before one.
Yeah.
Sir, Shivapranav
No,
C.
sir.
Yeah, it
So
is
you
from
cannot
Mahavir.
count the people who gave before, right, sir? Only after you display the question, they have to give their name.
Yes, sir, so it will be from
So therefore, it has to start with Ashwath.
What?
Sir, no, sir.
No. I have displayed the sheet and later we will check.
Yeah, sir, from 18.
Sir,
Sir,
it's
C. Shivapranav. Sir, C. Shivapranav.
Sir, I kept sir RR.
Sir, first Ritvik kept, sir.
That
N
was
Ritvik is there. See.
No, sir, first only kept, sir, when you didn't give one day.
First only when you, yes, sir. After Mahavir Ritvik N gave the answer.
Yes.
Then Ritvik D. Ritvik R I kept, sir.
Sir,
Arey,
Shiva.
before that you see, it's N Ritvik D.
See in the chat box. Shubhranu.
Sir, before your answer only he gave D. Sir, I wrote E.
Yeah, this.
વેક્સિન મળી ગયા છે અને આ વખતે શું છે એ છે ટેક્સાસ બાજુ ને બધે બંધ થઈ ગયું પાછું
H&M. Yeah,
Sir, I wrote H. This is Ishan. I wrote H.
અને બીજું શું
H
છે
is already taken by Srishti, I think, before Ishan.
અને આપણા
I am taking first.
Ishan, be ready with for the next exercise.
Okay, sir.
Sir, can you once tell us about how to do division?
Sir, how will to div sorry.
Sir, how can we do for decimal?
One second. From somewhere disturbance is coming continuously. From where?
Sir, can you teach us how to do like decimals?
Okay. Just allow me. Just listen to the process. Another process. Just listen to the another process that will be helpful for us in multiplying by 25, 125, 250, 500, all the things. Just see another way of doing the same thing. I'm taking any other number, like give any number. 78.
Sir, 78.
Decimal, sir.
Decimal.
I'll explain now.
7.8.
Sir, 78. Sir, 78.5.
Okay. Wait. All of you wait. Just listen to this. I'll explain even fractions also, decimals also, decimal fractions also. See, instead of keeping 0 and then doing by 2, just I'm doing the divided by 2 for the given number only. 78. If you divide this number by 2, it will be 3 times and then 9 times, 39. What is the remainder here? 0. If 0 is the remainder, simply write the last digit as 0. That's all. That's the answer. Okay. I'm explaining another question like 87 into 5. See here, instead of multiplying by 5, we can divide it by 2. So if you divide it by 2, 4 times and then 3 times. What is the remainder here? 1 is the remainder. If 1 is the remainder, simply write the last digit as 5. So 435 is the answer. I'm allowing you to speak, but don't speak all the persons at a time. Speak one by one. Is it clear?
Sir,
Sir, I didn't understand, Jay.
sir, if the question is 0.44 into 5, then how will we solve?
Okay. You are concentrating on fractions only. Okay, see, 0.44 into 5. If it is your question, see,
No,
consider
sir,
this
my
question.
is-
Wait, all of you. Consider this question like a 44 into 5. Okay, so instead of multiplying by 5, we can divide it by 2. So if you divide it by 2, 22. What is the remainder here after getting 22?
0.
If 0 is the remainder, simply put the last digit as 0. Now keep the decimal point after 2 digits from right side. So after 2 digits from right side, it is 2.2.
So whatever reminder we get there, so we have to just add that reminder over here to the number.
No. Reminder, we have to multiply this with this multiplier. Remainder with this multiplier.
Oh,
that is
okay.
Sir, I have a doubt. Sir,
0 is the remainder, 0 5 is 0. 1 is the remainder, 1 5 is 5.
Sir, so it's like when we do normal like decimal multiplication, we take the normal number, multiply, and then like move to, like the number of
At
decimal.
the end, keep again decimal.
Here also we need to do the same, multiply in this method, and then at the end we need to keep the decimal.
Sir, if we do like
Yes.
2.5, sir.
Yeah, see, 2.5 into 20, into 5, right? That is your
Yes,
question.
sir. Yes,
Sir,
sir.
sir, for this one, like we normally keep 0, right? So we can just move one
No.
decimal
Just
to
listen.
right, then done.
Listen, Mahavir. I'm considering
Sir,
this
we
question.
can do 2.50.
No, how it will be 2.50? Okay, after decimal, you may put 0 or may not put 0. It will not affect the question. It will not affect the value. See, 2.5 into 5, that is your question, but I am considering this question like 25 into 5. Okay, instead of multiplying by 5, I'll divide this number by 2. So when you divide this number by 2, 12 times it is 24. Now 1 is the remainder. If 1 is the remainder, last digit will be
5, sir.
5.
5. Now keep the decimal point after 1 digit from right side. So it will be 12.5. Okay, Adarth?
Okay, sir. Understood.
Yes, sir, shall we start the exercise?
You can.
Yes,
First do all the questions, all of you. Do all the questions.
Sir, I've done till
Sir,
D.
done.
Sir.
Sir, done.
All the
Sir, I've
questions.
done till D.
Do all the questions, all of you, not only your question. Jait, okay, I'll explain again. What is this?
Sir, I have a doubt.
Ritvik, what is that? Ritvik ready?
Sir,
Tell me.
yes, sir. Sir, you can check it out there, sir. I kept D. That's why.
Oh, what is that chart?
Sir, I kept D, sir. That's why I have sent you.
Okay, actually it is visible in our chat box. First, Ritvik N is there, and after that D.
Sir,
Sorry,
this-
Ritvik twice.
Sir, this method
both
is very.
Okay, no issue, no
Sir.
issue. We have many more exercises.
Sir,
Okay,
they
fine.
both took D only, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
I'm not telling it's hard, sir. It's very helpful.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Sure, Pranav, tell me.
For example, it will be 38 into 5.
Okay. You will ask your questions like nearby your number, like that
No,
is.
sir. Sir, okay, sir. Sir, keep
Okay,
40 into
I'm
5.
explaining, no issue. See here, 38 into 5. See, all of you, see.
We have
38
to
into
divide
5.
it by 2.
Wait, Srishti, wait. 38 into 5. Instead of multiplying by 5, I'll just divide this number by 2. So 2, one time it is
90.
2 and 18, 19. 19 times it is 38. What is the remainder here? 0. If 0 is the remainder, simply write the last digit as 0. That's all. That is your
Sir,
answer.
miss, I got 150, sir. 150 I got.
160. For which question?
Sir,
Sir,
example I took, sir.
Example, is it not
Hello,
your
sir?
example? 38 into 5.
Sir, no, sir. I practiced, sir, one sum.
Okay. Jayit, where is your doubt? Jayit,
Hello, sir.
tell me.
Hello, sir. I'm Kunal, sir. Sir, actually, in my home there was a power cut. Sir, can you tell what happened, please?
Just see this exercise. You will be clear with what we have discussed till now.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Mahavir, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Explain. Don't
Sir,
keep 0.
first-
Don't keep 0. Directly do division by.
Yes, sir. I'm doing that method only. Yes, sir. So here, instead of multiplying by 5, we need to divide by 2 first. Sir, so it will be 3 and 4.
Yeah, if all the
Sir,
digits are even, when we are dividing by 2, we can go digit by digit also, right?
Sir,
3
it
and
will be
4. Now, what is the remainder?
and the remainder is 0, sir. So we'll
That's
keep
why
0
last
at
digit will
that.
be 0. That's all. Very good. Toshnika.
Yeah, sir, in a very simple way, it's like 42 into 5, which is, you can just add 0 and divide by 2. So it's 420 by 2, which is 2 times.
So I'm telling, don't add 0. 420, it is okay. But don't add 0
Yeah.
because it will be helpful for the exercises also. So do directly
so
divided by 2 for this number.
Yeah, we can
42
do that.
by 2
too
is how
also,
much?
sir. 21.
21. What is the remainder now?
0.
Simply 0 into 5. We can write it here. 0 only.
0.
That's all. That's the answer.
Oh, yeah, sir. Yeah.
If it is even number, it will be last digit will be 0. If it is an odd number, last digit will be 5. Simple.
5. Okay, yeah. 0 or 5. Yeah, okay.
Sure, Pranav.
Yes, sir. Sir, will do 36 divided by 2 is equals to 18. Sir, 18 remainder is 0 is equals to
Okay.
180.
That's all. Last digit will be 0. If the remainder is 0, last digit will be 0. Then
Yes, sir.
Ritvik Yan.
Yes, sir. Sir, if we keep 426 by 2, the answer will come 213, and then we have to keep 0 beside 213.
Yeah. Why 0? We have to keep 0.
Because the quotient is 0, sir.
No. Remainder is 0.
Yes, sir. Remainder is 0.
Remainder is 0. We have to multiply that remainder with this multiplier. So it will be 0. Okay. Aditi.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, we'll consider 8.6 as 86.
Very good.
So the answer will be 43. We'll add point and it will be 43.0. We can also
No, no,
consider
no, no.
that 40.
No. Okay, okay. 43 actually. Because there is no remainder, zero remainder. That's why we have to keep 0. Now put the decimal point. Decimal point after one digit from right side, it will be 43.0.
40.0.
So nothing but 43 only.
Yes, sir.
Then Yadharth.
Yes, sir. 5.4 we can take as 54, sir.
Okay.
Then we have to divide by 2, sir, which
Hmm.
is 27, sir.
Okay.
Then you'll get remainder as 0, sir.
Okay.
Then you have to add the point, sir, from right, sir. One digit.
First
So
write 0, then add
27.0.
point.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
27.0.
27.0, nothing but 27. Then Ashwath.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, we'll take 4.68 as 468.
Okay.
468 by 2 is 234.
Okay.
200.
What is the remainder now?
0, sir. So 0 into 5 is 0. We need to add 0 to the last, sir. And we
Okay.
need to keep the decimal point before 4.
Before 4. Very good. Very good. So 23.40, nothing but 24.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, for EF1, sir, can't we just consider it as 43 instead of 43.0?
Yeah, that is what I'm telling you. Every time I'm telling 43.0, nothing but 43. 27.0, nothing but 27.
Yes,
Sir,
So,
23.4
remember this
is
point.
nothing but
After every number, there will be a decimal point. So 0.00000, so on.
So the answer is 27.
Yeah, 27 only. So here the answer is 27 only. Here the answer is 43 only. So even after
Sir,
decimal,
because after decimal point there is no value of 0, so we can write as it is.
yes, yes, correct. Then Srishti.
Yes, sir. 66 divided by 2 is 33.
Okay.
33.30, because after decimal point there is no value of
33 is okay. After that, what is the remainder?
Sir, 0.
Then we have to keep 0. Then think of decimal point.
Sir, after 2 digits there is a point, so we'll keep point after 3.
Which
So
3? First 3 or second?
after decimal, sir, first one. After first.
So right.
Which
So
one,
now the
sir?
answer is
33. 3.3.
3.3.
Sir, in every bit 0 is the end number, sir.
Yeah, because all the given numbers are even numbers. That's why.
Yes, sir.
So you give odd numbers, sir.
Okay, I'll give odd numbers also. Let us do
Did you
this.
give?
No,
names, sir, for this exercise.
Sir, can I do? Sir, can I? Oh, no, wait. Sir. Nothing. Sir, I'll not do the.
Sir, can I do? Sir, can I?
Wait.
Can I?
Can I?
Sir, I never got chance, so please.
Okay, Shupranav. Yeah. Jaideep will explain this.
Yes, sir. So 64 divided by 2 is 32 and the remainder is 0 and 0 into 5 is 0. So we should place a 0 at the end of 32, which is 320.
Very good. Correct. Jait will explain the next question. Jait.
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, like 93 goes to divided by 2.
Okay. Instead of multiplying by 5, we'll just divide by 2. Okay.
Yes, sir. So it will be 1 minute, sir. So 93.
In 9, how
by-
many times? So
Sir, it's
you
four,
forgot these
8,
things.
8.
No, 8 times. In 9, how many times it will go? 4, sorry, 2.
Sir, it won't go right.
In 9, how many times? 2
18,
will,
sir.
4 times, right? 4 2s are 8. In 9, I'm asking.
Yes.
In 9, how many times 2 will go? 9
I
2s
didn't
are,
understand.
sorry, 4 2s are 8. 1 will be the remainder.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then here 1 is the remainder. 1 and 3, it will be 13, right? In 13, how many times 2 will
Yes.
go?
13 means 6.
6 times 2 will go. And what is the remainder here? Actually, it is 13, but it is 12 only.
461.
6 times 12 only. What is the remainder? 1 is the
Sir, 1.
remainder. So if 1 is the remainder, simply write the last digit as 5. That's all. So what is happening in the chat box? Wait. All of you don't write anything in the chat. All of you don't write anything in the chat. Don't write anything. Okay. Ritvik Reddy will explain this. RR.
2 minutes, sir. Sir, you kept now only no questions.
Sorry. No. You can explain directly.
Sir, okay, sir. Sir, so 2486.
Sir.
Remaining persons can mute. Remaining persons. Ritvik, tell me. Your voice is not audible.
Sir, so we can divide sir, now I am audible.
Okay. Tell me.
Sir, 2486 we can divide with 2, which is 1243.
1243, because all the digits are even, you can go digit by digit also, right?
Yeah, sir. And remainder is 0, so we can multiply 0, which is we can add 0 to the end. So it will be 12,430.
That's all. That is the answer. Very good. Then Cyrus. Cyrus.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, explain this. Explain this question. Any number, instead of multiplying by 5, we can. Cyrus, are you there? Speak, Cyrus. What happened? If any technical problem or signal problem, you can share, you can write it in the chat. Okay. But we are unable to hear. Okay, Cyrus, go to mute. Lohini, are you there? Lohini. Lohini. Okay, Cyrus. Wait, Srishti. Wait. Advika.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, can you explain this?
Yes.
Proceed.
So the half of, first we should half of the number.
Okay.
Means we should divide by 2.
Okay.
Sir,
Yeah, tell me.
can I solve once?
We together will do, okay? In 5, how many times 2 will go?
3.
No, in 5. 2 2s are 4. One reminder. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, 2 times. Now 1 is the remainder. So considering the next digit, it will be 19, right?
Yes.
In 19, how many times 2 will go?
90.
9 times. Remainder? 1 again. So 19, 2 9s are 18, 1 remainder. It will be again 18. In 18, how many times 2 will go? In 18. Vedika, 18 by 2 is how much?
Sir, I'm Advika.
Sorry. Advika, okay. 18 by 2 is how much? 9. 9. 18 by 2. 2 9s are 18. Okay.
I thought 8.
It is 9. 2 9 times 18.
Yes.
Okay, then with that, no reminder. Then 4. In 4, how many times 2 will go? In
2.
4. Yes, 2 times, right?
4.
Okay. Then in 7, how many times 2 will go?
4.
No. 4 2s are 8, right? But it is exceeding. 8 is exceeding 7. Below this number, tell me. Below 7.
What, sir?
In 7, how many times 2 will go?
2, sir.
No. 3 times is 6, right? 2 3s are 6.
4.
Okay. Now 1 is the remainder. Lastly, it will be 12. So in 12, how many times 2 will go?
6.
6. So now what is the remainder here? 0.
0.
So we have to multiply this 0 with this 5. So it will be 0. So that's all. That's the answer. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Next and last question will be done by Ishan. Ishan.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Proceed.
So for this problem,
Hmm.
first we have to multiply the 3
Sorry.
with the 5. We'll have to multiply the 3 and the 5.
No. Are you there? Are you there in the class till now?
Yes, sir.
No, you are not there in the class till now. Okay, any number instead of multiplying by 5, we can just divide it with by 2. Okay, divide this number by 2. Only that who is that person? Yeah, Ishan.
Sir,
Ishan
Ishan.
has to respond. Ishan, tell me. Divide this number by 2. Ishan, are you there? What happened to all of you?
Sir, I can solve.
Sir is there,
Sir, can
sir.
I?
Sir, am I audible? Sir, am I
Can I?
audible?
Please.
Ishan,
Sir,
what
am I
happened to you?
audible?
Now
Sorry,
audible.
sir, my mic is not working. I'm sorry.
Okay. Now
Yes,
divide
sir.
this number by 2. Remaining persons, just keep in mute condition.
Sir, I think the
12 by 2.
Yes, sir, I got it. 62 million.
Okay, then in 5.
289,346.5. So the answer will be 622 million.
Wait, Ishan. Don't tell all those things. Just explain me how to divide this number by 2. How you are dividing this number by 2?
Sir, I did it the normal way with long division.
You did it in the normal way, right?
Yes, sir.
But why are you concentrating on that normal way? I'm explaining from the beginning onwards. I'm explaining in this way. You have to do in this way only. You have to explain me in this way only. As you are in the classroom, compulsory, you have to explain me in our processors only. After the class, you can do it in normal way or a Vedic method. It is of your choice. Okay. Ishan, listen to the class. Okay.
Sir, can I tell? Sir,
Can I please?
Wait,
Sir, can I, Mahavir?
Sir, can I please?
Just wait, yeah. Wait. Sadvika.
Yes, sir.
Sadvika,
Yes, sir.
can you
Sir,
explain this?
Sir, first,
Fast, make it fast.
we have to divide this number by 2.
Okay.
So 12 will become 6. 2 6 are 12.
Okay.
2 2s are 4.
Okay.
2 2s are 4 and 1 carryover.
One remainder.
1 remainder.
Okay. 17. It will be 17. Then
And then 2 8s are 16.
16 and again one
1
remainder.
reminder.
It is 18.
2 9s are 18.
Okay. Then no remainder.
2
Then
3s are
6.
6.
Okay. Then no remainder 9.
2 4s are 8.
2 4s are
1
8.
remainder.
1 remainder 13.
And 2 6 are 12. 1 reminder. So at the end,
Finally,
it's
one
5.
remainder means we have to multiply this 1 by 5. It will be
5.
5. That's all. That's the answer. Okay. So just listen to this once. Later we'll move on to the next exercise. Just listen to this. All of you concentrate here. Any number instead of multiplying by 2, we have done what we have done. Tell me. We have divided a given number by 2. Right?
Divided by 2.
Yeah. Yes. Based on the remainder, we have to keep the last digit. So last digit and just wait. Remainder and last digit. Okay. If the remainder is 0, what is our last digit?
Sir, it will be 0 as it is.
So if the remainder is 1, what is our last digit?
It will be
5.
It will be 5. So as of now, we have completed this. Okay. See, if it is multiplication by 25, we can make this number. What is its above base number? About 25.
100.
100. To make it 100, how much is the multiplication factor?
Sir, 4. 4, sir.
Right. Means any number instead of multiplying by 25, we can divide it by
Sir,
4.
4.
4.
Yes, sir. 4.
Yeah. So divide the given number by 4. What are the remainder possibilities? When you divide any number by 4, what are the remainder possibilities?
0 will be 0 as it is.
Just tell me. Wait.
No, 0, 1, 2, 3. Sir, 0, 1, 2, 3.
0 to 3 are the remainder possibilities. 0, 1, 2, 3. So remember this point. If the divisor is n, remainder possibilities will be 0 to n minus 1 only. Okay,
sir.
When you are dividing by 5 means you will get up to 4 remainders. When you are dividing a number by 100 means you will get up to 99 remainders.
Sir, I didn't understood.
What you didn't understood?
Sir, problem.
Where is the problem here? I'm telling the concepts only. Okay. Any number instead of multiplying by 25, just divide that number by 4 and based on the remainder, keep the last. How many digits we need to keep here? So here we have made it as 10. 10 consists of only 1 0. That's why we have discussed about the last digit.
Yeah, 2 digits because 100 consists of 2 zeros.
Because we have made it 25 as 100. 100 consists of 2 zeros. That's why last 2 digits here.
Yes, sir.
Based on the remainder, we have to keep last 2 digits.
So if the question is like 63 into 25, then we have to divide 63
Yes,
divided by 4.
Yes, correct. I'll explain.
The
Just
answer will be point.
Sir, then we can just like we need to divide by 2, then again we need to divide by 2.
yes, correct. We have already completed this division by 4 and 8, 2, 4 and 8. Okay.
Yes.
Based on the remainder, we have to keep the last 2 digits. If the remainder is 0, what are the last 2 digits?
Sir, it will be 0, 0.
0, 0. If the remainder is 1, what are the last 2 digits?
Sir, 4, 4.
No, we have to multiply that remainder.
5, 5. 5.
25.
Sir, how?
You have to multiply that remainder with this number multiplier.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If the
Yes, sir,
remainder is
understood. 1 into 25 is equals to 25.
yeah, if
Sir,
the remainder
50.
is
Sir, 50. Sir, 50.
Sir, 50.
if the remainder is 3,
Sir, 75.
Sir, 75.
75.
easy.
Sir, you're being
Yes, sir. Sir, then
Yes,
the
sir.
remainder.
Understood. Sir, I didn't understood.
See, you will be understood with this example. I'm taking any number like 25 into 25. See, 25 into 25. Any number instead of multiplying by 25, we can divide that number by 4, right?
Yes,
25 by
sir.
4 is how much?
Sir, 6.
6.
Sir,
Now, what is the remainder?
Sir, 1.
25.
1 is the remainder. Simply multiply that 1 with the 25. It will be 625. So,
Yes, sir.
understood, Shobhranu?
No, sir.
Sir, can I explain?
No. Wait.
Oh,
Suppose
how
I'm
would I
taking any
fix
other
that?
number like
Understood.
124 into 25. Shobhranu, see here.
Yes, sir.
Instead of multiplying this number with 25, just divide this number by 4. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, divide 125 by 4.
31.
125.
Sir, 31.
Yeah, 3 times and 1 time, 31. What is the remainder here?
Sir,
0.
0 is the
sir.
remainder. Multiply this 0 with 25, it will be 0, 0. That's all. That's the answer.
I have a doubt. So I just want to ask. So if it's being multiplied with 50, then it has to be the denominator has to be 6, right?
Sorry?
6 for 8.
Sir, I did not understood 25 by 4.
So can you please tell, sir, if you are multiplying it with 50?
We are multiplying any number with 50.
Yeah. So the denominator has to be 6 or 8, sir.
Denominator or remainder? What is the denominator?
No,
Where
sir.
is-
Like, can you just
Sir, the divisor, sir.
Sir, can you please scroll up?
Okay.
So here you have, not too much, sir. Can you just, yeah, this one. So here we wrote 124 by 4. So in the place of 4, when you're multiplying it with 50, should it be 6 or 8?
No, if you are where you are telling in place of this 4 or in place of this 25?
In place
50.
of this 4.
In place
So
of
in
this
place
4,
of
why
25,
50?
we put, yeah. Yes, sir.
Tell me, in place of this 4, why 50?
Okay. No, so not in place of 4. Okay, sir. Let me just make this clear. So in the same example, if you just put 50 in place of 25, if you're multiplying it with 50.
Okay,
and
124
in
with
place of
50.
4,
That is your question.
yes. Now, as you're putting 4 when you're multiplying it with 25, so are you supposed to put 6 in place of 4 when you're multiplying it with 50?
No. Just think once what I am telling and what we are making it. What is its
Sir,
above
then
base number?
starting.
Wait, all of you wait. Toshnika, what is its above base number? 50 above base number is?
Sir, 100.
Wait. Shoprana. Sorry, Mahavir. Wait. Toshnika, what is its above base number? 50 above base number is?
So it's 100.
100. To make this number as 100, what we have to do?
Okay, into 2. So you have
into
to,
2. So now instead of multiplying with the 50, we can divide it by 2.
Yeah, sir, but I found this pattern that when you're multiplying it with 5, then you wrote 2. And when you're multiplying it with 25, like, I mean, 5 square, then you're writing 4. 2
No,
square.
that is
So-
not in a pattern. That is, you have to concentrate on this. We are making this number as 10. We are making this number as 100.
Okay.
Okay, what is the
Yes,
factor
sir.
there? We have to divide with that factor.
Okay,
So
sir.
5 to make it 10, what is the factor? 2 is the factor. We have to divide it by 2. 25 to make it 100, what is the factor? 4 is the factor. That's why we are dividing it by 4.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now tell this point also. We'll complete this one also. 124. Just
Sir,
Sir, can I?
sir, can I?
Sir,
what can I? What is there? What is your question, Srishti? Can I is for what?
Sir, to solving.
Sir, to solve this question, sir.
Which
For
question?
solving.
Sir, this one
124
124
divided by 2 into 50.
Sorry,
Sir,
Sir, 124 divided by 2 is
this
into
is not our
50.
question. It is extra part. That 2 is extra part. Here our question is 124 into 50. 124 into 50. See, any number instead of multiplying by 50, we can just divide it by 2. So divide this number by 2. 124 by 2 is how much?
62.
62. What is the remainder here?
0.
0.
0 multiply with this 50, it will be 0, 0.
2 0.
0 0.
So 60 to 100, that's all. That's the answer. Okay. Because
Okay,
here we
sir.
are dividing this number by 2, remainder possibilities are 0 and 1 only. If 0 is the
Sir.
remainder, last 2 digits will be 0 0. If the remainder is 1, last 2 digits will be 5 0.
So if the
Sir,
question
understood,
is
sir.
like 1, 2, 8, 4 into 50, then
Okay, okay. We'll do that question also. Here the question is 1, 2, 8, 4 into 50, right?
yes, sir.
Okay. So here, instead of multiplying by 50, we can divide it by 2. So I'm dividing this number by 2. 12 by 2 is 6. 8 by 2 is 4.
4,
4 by 2 is 2. What is the remainder?
0,
0 multiply with this 50. It will be 0 0. That's all.
0.
Yes, sir.
Sir, what if a number is multiplied with 75?
In the beginning only, I told this point already. We are discussing 5 multiplication, 25 multiplication, 50 multiplication, and then 125 multiplication, 250 multiplication, 500 multiplication. This is our class today. Okay, so 75 maybe comes under another category, another sometime later. Okay, because 75 we cannot make it a base number. That's why.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Right, we'll do this exercise, multiplication by
So
25.
can you say it again, sir, as I got disconnected?
Now you can give your names.
Sir, I sent my name second.
Excuse me, sir. Our other class started, sir.
Other class, 5 o'clock, right?
Yes, sir. But already, sir, gave the link.
It's
sir.
not started, right?
No, sir. Started.
Okay, we'll wind up the session with this exercise. With this
Okay, sir.
exercise, we'll wind up.
Okay, sir.
Okay, we'll make it faster. D Ritvik from there. This is Ritvik. A Mahavir. A Srishti already over. C Shopranav. Okay, B Ritvik N. C Satvika. C is already over. B Srishti already over. E Jaideep. This is for Jaideep. H Toshnika.
Sir, Toshnika said Shushti can take H, sir.
Yeah,
No,
sir.
sir, give it to Toshnika.
This is for Ashwat. And G is
Sir,
for
give-
Aditya. Okay, wait. Nothing. It's already over. Okay. Do all the questions, all of you.
Sir, 1 second, sir. I didn't understand the 51 properly, sir.
50.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll explain. See, into 25 on this side, I'm explaining. Into 50, I'm explaining on this side.
Yes, sir.
So into 50, instead of that, divide it by 4. Okay, when you are dividing by 4, remainder possibilities will be 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and by dividing this number, and by taking 4 as the factor, we are making this number as 100. Means we have to think of last 2 digits. So based on the remainder, last 2 digits will be, remainder is 1, last 2 digits 0, 0. Sorry, remainder 0, last 2 digits 0, 0. Remainder 1, 2, 5. Remainder 2, 5, 0. And remainder 3, it will be 7, 5. And here you don't need to remember this table. Okay, just simply what is the remainder? We have to multiply with that factor, with that multiplication multiplier. Okay. Next, multiplication by 50. See, any number instead of multiplying by 50, we can just divide it by 2. And the remainder possibilities, when any number divided by 2, remainder possibilities are 0 and 1, right? Ritvik, okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, by taking 2 factor, we have made this number 50 as 100, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 100 means we have to think of last 2 digits. So based on the remainder, last 2 digits are. If 0 is the remainder, last 2 digits will be 0, 0. If 1 is the remainder, last 2 digits will be 5, 0. Means this table, 50 0 times is 0, 0.
Okay.
51 time is 5, 0. That's all.
Sir, our other class is started, sir. Can we leave, sir?
Okay, you can. Anyone can leave. I will also leave after this exercise.
Sir, but F question is
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Okay,
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Or else I think we can do it in the next class because most of the majority of the people who are leaving now gave their names.
Yes, sir.
Actually, I want to keep a test on Sunday. For that, I need to complete some portion. That's why.
Sir,
Okay,
majority.
I'll
We have
keep
a
it as
class
it is.
on Saturday.
Okay, I'll keep it as it is.
Sir, I think majority of the one are from 7th grade. Mahavir, Ritvik Nirmala, like Shiva Pranav, Ritvik, Aditi. Sir, majority of them are from 7th grade.
Okay.
Yes,
We'll wind
sir.
up this session here. We'll do this exercise in the later, next class. Okay.
Next class. Yeah, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir, bye, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.